Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber Maria. Today we're going to do the ultimate wash and go, or at least try to, using Miche Tropical Oasis Anti-Humidity Gel. Let's go. So I just finished detangling my hair using Pattern Beauty's Nectar Detangler, and I'll have a video right here if you want to check that out to see how well it did, which it did very, very well. Next, I washed my hair using their shampoo, did a treatment mask using their rice water treatment mask. Hey, Bubbles. Then I did a deep conditioning treatment with their conditioner, and now I am back. I have nothing in my hair, no leave-in conditioner or any product. We're just going to go in with this section by section, and we're going to see how well it goes. Now, one thing that I can appreciate about this company, or at least from what I'm seeing right now, I love that they have like a sealing right here. Like it's sealed completely. I know that's something little and small, but as a business owner who sells beauty products, like I love a good seal. And I actually need to have a seal on my products while I'm talking. But I love this. So we're just going to go ahead and open it up. I'm like so excited. I've been wanting to use this product for years, like 2 years. And like they don't sell it at Ulta, they don't sell it at Sephora. You have to get it from their website or on Amazon. So I'm very happy right now. So Ooh. This smells so good. Wait. Oh, it smells like a, oh wait. It smells so, okay, so it smells so good. I love anything kind of island type of smell. Not to shout out my business, but with Southern Honey Care, I have a product called Island Oasis Body Butter and Body Cream. And it smells like this. So like this is a little bit more potent, which I like, but I love it. Chef's kiss. Only got a little bit got on my finger. It's thick. Wait. Oh, y'all. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I've been waiting to try this product for so long. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's do this. All right. Do y'all know how frustrating it is to be recording and your SD card just gets full? You're in mid-sentence and it's like, I'm sorry, sugar, but you're out of storage. It's so frustrating. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, it smells like Pattern Beauty's stuff. It's a distinct smell. I can't describe it, but this is what the hair is looking like. There's no product in here. We're just gonna go ahead and do it. I'm looking for my clamp that I just took out and it's sitting right here. Your girl's getting old. All right. So we're gonna section it off like we usually do. If you're new to this channel, I like to go from the back moving forward. Start on clean, detangled hair. Hair must be wet before applying gel. Section hair into small to medium sections and apply gel to hair. Use your fingers to rake and smooth each section after applying gel. It has pineapple extract. That's why it smells so good. I love me a good pineapple scent. Okay, we're gonna apply. Okay, first reaction. Oh, wait, did you see? Oh my god! Like, y'all, I usually don't curse on my channel. I'm sorry, but did you? Oh my gosh! Y'all, what? This video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. This is real reactors. Oh my. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say, and I always have something to say. What? Oh, she looked pretty. My mirror right here. Oh, she pretty. Oh. Oh, she pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh. Oh, wee. I don't even have to twist. I don't even have to do. Oh, she's so pretty. Nothing further, Your Honor. Nothing further, because what? Oh yeah, I see the hype. I see why people are going crazy for this product. I see it. I didn't see it at first. I see it now. Okay. I see what you're doing, Miche. I see it. I get it. I support it 100%. Amazing. I have nothing to say. I am so thoroughly impressed. And no, this video isn't sponsored, but Miche, if you see this, you can definitely send me products. Okay, specifically this gel, because my curls have not looked like this since the first time. Honestly, it hasn't looked like this since the first time I've used the Dew. The very first time I used the Dew, my hair reacted like this, and I kept using it, and it just stopped. I don't know. I guess my hair got used to it. I don't know. I hope that doesn't happen to this product, because I am so in awe of it right now. Like and this is so for this amount of head that I've done. This is how much product I've used. I've used maybe we'll say a quarter. We'll say a quarter of the product. So I think it could do 2 washes maybe. But because I use so much gel, I feel like if I do it again, I'll have to get another one. But I mean, it's worth it. This is amazing. Now the real test will be, how does it react when it dries, and how long does this last? Can I do this once a week and my hair is good, or do I have to do like a 5-day type of situation? But we're gonna keep going, and yeah, don't look at it. We gonna keep going, and we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, we're done. These is what the curls looking like right now. I need my ends clipped. I'm about to sit under the hair dryer. I don't like diffusers, or maybe the diffuser I have just isn't the best. It's like the one with the attachment, and I don't think it does what the diffuser is supposed to do. So I'm about to sit on the hair dryer. Then we're gonna see how it is when it dries. Hopefully it does not take too long to dry, because I am tired. So I will be back. Bubbles! Y'all see him? My baby finally came, Bubbles. He's trying to sleep. But my hair is dry. Well, it's like 80% dry. It's not dry inside, so I'm gonna get back under the hooded dryer. But I wanted y'all look how cute this. Where'd it go? Was it that one? Look how cute they look. Okay, I think I like the product. Like, my curls are shiny and bouncy, and it does have a cast on it, but I like a cast because it keeps the wash and go. It like lasts longer, or at least mine does. But she looked good. Like, I am impressed. Like, it's cute. I'm trying to do a thumbnail. It's cute. Wait, where is it? Super cute. Super cute. 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10 recommend. I think it's a great product. And no, this video is not sponsored, but Miche, if y'all want to sponsor me, just say that. Slide into my DMs or my email. But yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. I don't have to say much. But this is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna pop back under here and make sure that's completely dry, but it looks good. It looks very healthy. I don't have anything bad to say about it. So the only thing that, if I were to say anything, I need more, because I have like a little less than half, and I don't know how long. Like, if I do it again like next week, I don't know. I think I have to order another one. But 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Peace.